The thermocouple is a crucial safety device in your Reliance 606 water heater. This small component keeps the gas valve open when the pilot light is burning. When the pilot light goes out, the thermocouple cools down and automatically shuts off the gas supply to prevent dangerous gas leaks. A faulty thermocouple is the most common reason a pilot light won't stay lit. Replacement thermocouples are inexpensive, typically costing between $5 and $10. Before starting any work, safety is paramount. First, turn off the gas supply to the water heater. The gas shutoff handle should be perpendicular to the pipe when closed. Now we can begin accessing the thermocouple. Remove the bottom access cover on the water heater to reach the burner assembly. Some Reliance 606 models have a sealed combustion chamber. If your model has this feature, you'll need to remove screws to access the burner assembly. With the access cover removed and wires disconnected, you now have clear access to the thermocouple and can proceed with the replacement process. Begin by disconnecting the thermocouple lead from the gas control valve using an adjustable wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten as the threads can strip easily. Next, loosen and remove both the pilot tube and manifold tube. Take care not to bend or kink the metal tubing. Then carefully slide out the entire burner assembly. Remove the old thermocouple from its mounting bracket by slowly twisting and pulling it out. Then insert the new thermocouple into the bracket until it's fully seated and clicks into place. Now reassemble everything in reverse order. Slide the burner assembly back into the tank, reconnect the manifold and pilot tubes, and screw in the new thermocouple. Reconnect all wires and reinstall the burner door. Finally, turn the gas supply back on and relight the pilot light. Test for gas leaks by applying soapy water to all gas connections and looking for bubbles while the burner is firing. Any bubbles indicate a leak that must be fixed. Remember, if you're uncomfortable working with gas lines at any point during this process, it's always best to call a professional plumber or gas technician for safety.